Hey everybody, this is Jeremy, cookbookdude.com. This is a homemade chili. I have pretty much 2.5 pounds of ground meat, 3 cans of chili beans, 1 that is mixed pinto and kidney, 2 that are kidney. I have 2.5 to 3 cups of water, a can of tomato paste, a lot of chopped garlic. I seasoned the ground meat with a Cajun creole seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder. The creole seasoning is a mixture of salt, red pepper, white pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, spices, and yes, no MSG. And along with a packet of onion soup mix. And I'll have this cooking on simmer for another hour or so, and it should be good. Looks good now, but want to have all the flavors blend together more. So, thank you. Thanks for watching.